Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of Bootstrap series. Add ID attributes to Bootstrap elements. Recall that in addition to class attributes, you can give each of your elements an ID attribute. Each ID must be unique to a specific element and used only once per page. Let's give a unique ID to each of our div elements of class well. Remember that we can give an element an ID like this. Give that Give the will on the left of the ID left will. Give the will of the right of the ID of the of right will. In this case, we will use ID left will here and ID right will here. Let's run the test and download my solution. And thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.